welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Neola and today I'm going to do a Shein haul. So last month in June I ordered a few items from Shein. I ordered like around 11 items, but this was before the ban, like some ban which India imposed on Chinese apps. But fortunately I got my clothes. I really thought that I wasn't going to get them and I was pretty scared about it, but then I got all my items and today I'm going to review them and let's see how it goes. So let's get into the video. So out of 11 items, 2 products came before time and they came in this. So this is the Shein packaging. I feel like a lot of girls know that this is how the Shein packaging looks like. So let's see. I haven't like checked out those clothes yet, so I really want to see. So this is the first top. I really like those rib knit kind of tops, and sleeveless is like my thing. I think this will be my go-to wear. Like I always wear like a black top and I have like a lot of black clothes, so I think this will be my go-to thing. And I got it for 391 rupees. So the second item would be obviously the red one, which came in this bag. I don't know why it didn't come in a Shein bag. Like I think I'm more obsessed with the Shein bags than the clothes. So this is the red top. I like the design, but I feel like it's a bit too thin of a material, and I think I have to wear something inside. Like I just can't wear it like this, otherwise the size is like perfect and it's a cute one, and I'm really into crop tops, so this is a lovely one and I got this for 336 rupees. Okay, let's see. Is this... Oh, it's again a rib knit because I love rib knits. It's a white rib knit top. This I couldn't find in a XS, but this is a S. So I think that this should fit me well. I really wanted a white sleeveless tank or something, and I got this one. And I don't have like white clothes, so I think I should start buying them. So this is one of them. And I got it for 377 rupees, which is pretty much fine for a rib knit. Okay, so the next one, I got a cargo wind pant. I have never tried it before at all. This is the pant. The material is like good. It's like I can't explain. Like I can't explain this material because I don't understand what it is. So this is also an XS. For Shein, I recommend to always lower down your size. Like if you're an S, order an XS. And if you're a L, order a M. Like because Shein, I feel they always size up a bit. So you need to size down for Shein. These pants are really good, okay? These are like one of my favorites. And it has this buckle, which I really like. And I can adjust it accordingly. I'm in love with those. And those I just got for 920 rupees. Like I swear I was checking it on other sites and it was so expensive, but it's just for 920 rupees and it's so good. I can't wait to wear all of these outside after the lockdown. Okay, so the next is again a rib knit. I don't know, I love rib knits, okay, and I had decided if I'm ordering from Shein, it would be a rib knit. So this is the rib knit top. It has like a box kind of neck, as you can see. The material is pretty good. I think this is really good for a rib knit. Like this top is really cute. It has this like pastel blue color and this cute thing. I can tie it in a bow if I want to, and it's going to look really cute. And I got those for 405 rupees, which I think is fine for this one. Okay, so the next one is a tie-dye top, which was trending a lot on TikTok. I saw it on TikTok before it got banned and I was obsessed and I was like, I have to buy one of these. So again, this is the tie-dye. I love the color. I love how it's like has those summer vibes. And like I think tie-dye is a summer kind of style. So I really like this. This material is really good. Again, this is an excess and I think this will fit me well. It actually does fit me well, I feel. And I love like how there are not only two shades but there's like blue and then there's a bit of green and it's come into a beautiful top. I think the price for this one was pretty reasonable and I got this for 383. So the next one I got is a simple yellow top, yellow mustard. Obviously I got a mustard top and this is just a simple top. I really love it. I wanted to buy like something simple and not a rib knit, so I went for this one. And the color, I have like only two clothes in these colors, so I thought why not buy another one. It's a cute top and it's a crop again because I'm into crop tops. So let's see the price. I got this top for 370 rupees. Like it's fine, not too much. The another items, it's one of my favorite. I love it. I love this kind of pattern. So this is the top. I really love this. So the material is pretty thin. It's good. It's not see-through or anything. It is very nice. But I feel that this is a size XS and I feel this is going to be still very loose for me. So I feel I'm just going to like take this and tie it up like this. This was like less than 300 just for 257. Like that's it. So I really wanted to buy a new denim one and here I got them. These are the pants. They are high-waisted, so it's thin from here. I'm an XS. This might be a 26 waist something. I think it will fit well, but I don't know why it looks it's a bit big from here. I think it might be a little loose from here. But then mama always has the solution. So let's see how it fits. And I like that there's only one button on top of it. Like there's only one button and not like 1, 2, 3, 4 and like it's pretty annoying. I got those jeans for 1263 rupees, which I think is pretty much fine because if you go to buy like jeans in a mall or something, you get jeans around this price in a discount or something, but then they're pretty expensive. So I think it's fine. I like it. The material obviously is good, so it's good. Okay, so the last clothing item from Shein is a white top. Again, a rib knit top. I don't know, I'm obsessed. This is my favorite, okay? This is like one of my favorite. It's so cute. Okay, so this thing on Shein, like this cut, they call it a lettuce cut. Like lettuce cut. Lettuce. Whatever, this is a lettuce cut and they have like a small cherry over here. And I really like how, you know, Shein does the embroidery of small things on their clothing items. It's really cute. It's a square neck rib knit. I don't think so it would be that see-through, but just I think it would be good to wear something inside. And this I got for 403. I think it should have been around something like 300 rupees or something, but 403 was like, okay, I would buy these for 403 because I was so much in love with this. I was like, I need white clothes anyways and this is pretty cute, so I'll buy this. So the last item which I got from Shein, it's my second favorite after that top. It's those brushes. Those are the brushes which I got from Shein. It's a 7-piece brush set and I got it for 344 rupees only. So I took out one brush and you can literally see it is so beautiful. The color, it's a metallic rose gold kind of color and the head is like pink and white and the bristles are so soft. I swear I can't wait to use these brush. 7 brushes for 344. You need to buy it. You all definitely need to buy it. I swear. If you all wanna buy anyways. If you all don't want to, I'm not forcing you or anything like. So that's all for the Shein haul, and the Shein haul ends here. So last month when I was shopping from Shein, I noticed that the jackets were a bit expensive and I really wanted to buy jackets because I have a lot of sleeveless clothes. Luckily at the same time, Myntra had a sale going on, and exactly at midnight I ordered these 3 jackets, which was so cheap. All these jackets cost like a lot, but I got all 3 of them for just 600 and 700, around that. So we'll be taking out the first jacket which I ordered. It's a basic denim blue jacket, and the original price of this jacket is 1900, and I might have like got this around for like 700 or 800, I think so. I don't know, I don't remember. I'll just put everything in the description. But this is so good. This is a size medium. I think I really like oversized jackets, so this is an oversized jacket, and this is so good. The material is thick. It's like a denim, normal denim thick material, and I think it fits me really well for the size medium and an oversized one. So the another jacket which I ordered is a black denim jacket, and I think black goes with everyone, so I was like, I really need a black one, so let me order it. And let me tell you all, like, all these prices are around like 600, 700, and I didn't pay much for them because of the sale. And the original price of this jacket is 3000 rupees. I don't know for what the original price is so expensive, but I again got this for like 700 or 800. That's it. So the material is like a thin denim. It's not the hard denim or like the thick denim. It's really a thin denim. I really like it, and I really like that the black thing has white buttons on it. I don't know, it just stands out for me. And this is how it looks. This is how it looks. It's pretty cute. I don't know if you all can see it. My final item for the haul is a peachish coralish colored jacket, and it's so cute. Again, this is my favorite jacket. It's not like a full jacket. It's, as you can see, it's a bit of a cropped. It's not like a full jacket. It's bit cropped down, and the original price was 1800, like 1799, but I again got this for 600, 700, which is pretty good. So that's all for the video. So this was my Shein and a mini Myntra haul. I hope you all like the clothes because I really love them, and I can't wait for the lockdown to get down and wear them outside. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also, I'm open to suggestions. Let me know what do you all want to see next. Comment down below. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!